Alright, welcome to Lost Country Vlog. Shannon burned it long. We're here at Aliw Falls. Yeah, Aliw Falls. Yeah. I'll try to get the name right. It's a little hard for me to pronounce that name and everything. Right here at the fall. Check-in counter right somewhere right up in here. We can go up there, see how the fall looks. And Raymond. I get his name right. Look at me smiling now. He ain't ready to kick my ass. Alright, I just busted my ass back yonder. Sitting on a rock, that sucker went right up under me and I went rolling down the hill. And see the terrain. They got little things to hang on to. You better hang on to them, see, look at me. I'm muddy. That was crackling. Went up through here. Got a tour guide. Right here on the river. You see the river green looking. See it? It's green looking. Yeah, better be careful. I might slip off, fall back in. Head on up through here. Check little footfall there, right? That's pretty. Pretty cool up through here. Going on. See that fall over there. Going on down through here. Got little cottages, A-frame cottages you can get, stay in. That wasn't fall looking in. Here we go. You see the train we walk. It's a train we're walking on. It's rough. I done busted my ass once you see it. I didn't think I was gonna start sinking in that mud when I fell in that little area. Rock rolled right up under my foot. It's real rocky out here. Pretty long path right here on the river. There's Raymond behind me. Check that out right there. A little waterfall right there. What the? See? I just fell again. That time I leaned the other way, it kept falling over. We came across all them rocks right there. Heading over here. You see the fall right there, that's pretty. They already got through there. There he is, that's a beautiful fall. Look at it. Got little areas over there. You can swim here too, right? You can swim here. You can swim. No swimming. No swimming. That's beautiful. Got a little gazebo thing set up over there. That's pretty. We get over there? Oh, that's private. Huh? That's pretty. That's a beautiful fall. That right there is private. That's pretty. Picture? No. What? Yeah, wash myself off. Okay. Yeah, I can wash my arm off and everything. That is beautiful. They said that's private land over there, what they said. Can't get over there. That'd be a pretty shot right there, on that little deck dock. Right there. Be a beautiful shot of that fall. Good close up too. That is pretty. But now I can get over there to it. It's beautiful out here. There it is. We'd have to get a little closer. I can't get no closer. That's pretty. Got a little standing pad right here. That is beautiful. Wonderful. That's pretty over there. See over there working, you see that deck? That's private land. Beautiful over there. That's a long way down. Woo! Oh, you gonna catch me gonna fall over here again. Huh? Yeah. I probably would bust my ass again. Well, I bust my ass first time. I'm gonna fall again. Ah. Right across here. I got it that time. I got it. They got a swimming pool and everything over here. I didn't see that when I came in. Yeah. Little fish pond. Had fishing on the other end down there. I seen them. Here at the pool. It's pretty. She cleaned the pool out. That's pretty. It's nice out here. Is that how the water is? That's pretty pool. She'd clean it up. What that side there looks like. Pretty. Head on out. I had a fish. See the koi's. We just regular goldfish. And that's a little small ones right here. That little small ones in there. You can see them. That's a big one right here. Look at that. A couple big ones in there. They're hiding up behind that thing right there. It is. See it? That's a alligator. A big old alligator in there. We're heading Hulugan Falls, right? Hulugan Falls and Talay Falls. I'm trying to get these names right, y'all. Don't criticize me. Got a tour guide. You can go down through here somewhere. Down through yonder. We'll head down through there. They're sitting right here waiting on the tour guide to come up. Me and Raymond sitting right here. Got 3 falls we're going to go to in a minute. I'll show you the ones we're going to. Right up yonder. I come down that road right there. Then we're going to wait on the tour guide to get here. Go to the falls. What we're walking through. Check that there out. That's pretty. We're going out through yonder. Bamboo! Woo! More swimmers! Across all these rocks. Wet feet. Yeah. Woo! It's nice out here. Beautiful out here. Sun is shining a little bit now. Nice. Alright, we're out here at Talay Falls, and I done busted my ass again. Hell, I can't walk. I'm a disaster waiting to happen. Here's a see? It ain't no good. I mean, it's a good hiking trail. You gotta watch where you're stepping. I stepped on a branch this time, it broke and I went down. Here's the fall right here. Here, see it over there? Oh, you can't see it between the trees. I gotta get over there. There it is. Ah, look at that. That's pretty. Talay Falls, right? Talay. Talay Falls. Talay. That's beautiful. Coming down through there. It's pretty. You can see how rocky it is out here. Pretty rocky. I mean, sitting over there, there's a tour guide. That's pretty. That's beautiful. Coming down through there. I got another one right over there falling down, right over on the other side of the trees right there. I don't know if I better get it now, let me see. Check that out, that's beautiful. That's beautiful up there. Coming down through there. Wonderful. We can walk across here. Pretty. Then get a good shot. It's already going. He's getting a better shot of it for y'all. Wonderful over there. He's getting a better shot closer to. Check it out. They got it recorded, that's why you saw everything moving around. That's pretty over there. Good. Alright, running out of storage, sending this on over. Thank you. Keep watching. Stay tuned.